Okay, let's do another one. If I have 0 and 31 hundredths, and I want to compare that to 0 and 35 hundredths, we're going to look at the place values, of course. Let's start with the ones place. Well, those are equal, so we move on. We're at the decimal point, so we move over to the right to the, what place value is this? Good, this is the tenths place. We see that 3/10 and 3/10 are the same. So what does that mean? We now go to the hundredths place. Good job. We are comparing the 1 and the 5. Which is greater, my friends? Would you rather have $1 or $5? 1 piece of candy or 5 pieces of candy? Well, if you're like me, you would rather have 5 pieces of candy. So that means that this number is greater than this one. So 31 hundredths is less than 35 hundredths because all the numbers are the same up until the hundredths place, and 5 is greater than 1, so that means this number is greater than this number.